Now we are going to put a new tire on, and you just do it like you do a bicycle tire. And then I get the insert here, and since I'm doing this on my own, what I'm doing is I got the tire only halfway on like that. Then I'm sticking a rubber insert inside the tire all the way around, just like that. See, the rubber's in there now, okay? And then I'm going to push down on it. And what I want is I want the rubber inside, but the tire not all the way in yet. And I'm using a screwdriver here to put the rubber down in there. Just like that. The rubber is really flexible, but the tire is not as flexible. The tire is going to be harder to put on here. Okay. What we're going to do is take a big screwdriver and get this going. See what happens there? Sometimes we have specialty tools, but most of you guys don't have specialty tools to keep the rim from getting scratched and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do like you would do it at home, the average Joe. Hopefully my camera won't fall. That's going to happen to you at home. So, and if you're doing it by yourself, it's going to happen quite a bit. There are special tools that they have. So what I'm doing here, I got 3 screwdrivers. One to hold this tire from coming up, this one to keep it down too. And then when I get the third one going, I'll leave that in, pull out this middle one, and basically I'm going to walk around the whole rim, pushing the tire in like this. Okay?